que el creyente viva delante de Dios, ¿en qué dice? En santidad y pureza. Y peor, ahora hay todavía ese tipo de vestidos que moda, dice que se leyera, cada uno de vosotros sepa cómo poseer su propia acción matrimonial de un hombre.
It gives him the ability to obey perfectly and successfully pass the temptation.
El Espíritu está presente.
That's why John the Baptist says the axe is already laid at the roots. Do with Jesus' words, at first they're amazed, but then they on that day in their hearing.
Y le dice las coyunturas.
For this, because it has allowed me the opportunity to understand how, okay? There can be any number of variables or factors that might influence the direction that is taken.
Y hay muchas.
Is the advantage to having the Holy Spirit as opposed to Jesus Christ in his physical presence.
¿Cuál es la ventaja?
He tells us another counselor